Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to model exercise 16 from scratch. As you can see from the engineering drawing, and this part features a unique range style head, a circular cutout, and a specific section view that gives us all the thickness details we need. We will cover essential techniques like sketching with precise relations, applying dimensions like the 164.9 mm center to the center distance, and using the extrude boss tool effectively. Whether you are beginner or looking to sharpen your drafting skills, this is a step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to grab your and drawing reference, open SolidWorks, and let's get started. So first we close this exercise and start from scratch. So first we need to select a new part from the SolidWorks and select OK, and take any plane like front plane and going to sketch. So first we need to take a center line for reference. Select, we measure for the center line of 164.9 mm. Going to smart dimension and choose this line and make it 164.9 mm. And make here two circles of dia 34 and 50. So going to sketch, choose circle and take two circles. Going to smart dimension. So a smaller circle is 34 mm and the bigger circle is 50 mm. At this point, make another circle of 90 mm. Press my dimension, make it 90 mm. Go to line and start from here and make it horizontal. Take another center line for making the square. Go to center rectangle and take here for, sorry, edit. Okay. Make it from here so you can trim it. Go to smart dimension and make it for 20 mm. Go to smart dimension and make this here from here is 57 mm. Okay, and take a circle at here to here 26. Take a circle at this midpoint and make it for 64 mm. Go to trim entities and remove the all extra part which is not required. Go to power trim and trim all the outer area. close this profile and take a 3-point arc so that we can verify it. Okay, and go to Features tab and take Extrude Boss Base and make it for 10 extrude from mid plane. Say it OK. You can see here this part is complete, and now we can write here for any of type letter, any type of letter. So first we need to take a reference line where we can type the letter. So go to Sketch tab and take a center line and make it horizontal, and go to Sketch text, select curve and select this line and text like Tata Agrico. From Vanadium. You can choose here the midpoint and use document font. Select uncheck and select height as points and take any like 16 say it OK. You can see here the all letters are bold. Select OK. You can cut it. Go to Features tab, go to Extrude Cut, and the dimension is only 2 say it OK. You can see here the results. You can color it from appearance like say it OK. Say it OK. And that is how you model exercise 16 in SolidWorks. Hope this step-by-step breakdown helped you understand how to translate today's engineering drawing into a clean 3D model. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a future tutorial. If you ran into any issues or have any questions about the dimensions, drop a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next exercise. Thank you.